Okay, so today we're gonna be installing a Wi-Fi bulb from Magic Home. This is one of the functions when it's done being installed. You can turn it to multicolor, you can change it to whatever you want. This is what the bulb looks like. We're gonna get started and I'm gonna go through the online prompts. Alright, thank you. Okay, this is what the bulb looks like. First you need to install it, and it will be shutting on and off like this, and it should glow a random hue like this. It should glow a random hue like that. Okay, so first you click the plus sign in the upper right hand corner, then you click new device, add new device. Then you open your Wi-Fi settings. You need to look for the specific channel that matches your light bulb. Mine's not showing up right now, so I need to back up. It's not showing up. Don't assume that just because you can't find it on the first time that you're not going to be able to find it. Now I'm going to back up out of here. Oh, there it was. It was there a second ago. Hold on. Go back into Wi-Fi. There it is. LEDNET, and mine is 69D8FA. Go back into the app. And it's loading right now. Okay, sometimes this happens, so say try again. And this is pretty simple. Just try again. There it went through, and now it should be a random hue color of white. There we go. We go into your Wi-Fi settings and you confirm, and now it's connecting. And this is pretty much it. This is all you have to do. And rename the bulb. I'm going to call it Joshua's Room Light. Alright. It's a pretty simple setup. That's how you get it done. And this is what it should look like afterwards. And then once it's installed, this is what it should look like. It should go to a green color like this once it's installed. And then you can change it back to whatever color you want to change it to. Red, blue, violet, turquoise, yellow. Alright, so that's how you get it done.
So this is a really good feature for this light. I've had the light for about 1 day, maybe 2 days, I guess. I've slept twice since this. This is me going to sleep the second time. So at night it'll breathe and change color, and you can make custom light sequences. This is the one I picked because it's calming. Really decent situation. Obviously I have another one. Another. That's pretty cool. Alright.